How to catfish someone on a Snapchat. On this video, I'm going to show you the quick method to catfish someone on a Snapchat. So, catfishing is the activity which involves pretending to be someone else online to deceive others, which is unethical and can have serious legal and emotional consequences. So, you can catfish someone on a Snapchat with your own risks, but it is unethical to do it. So, sometimes you might be the victim of catfishing by someone and you want to know how to do it. The reason might be different, so let's proceed towards the video. First of all, update your app from Play Store or App Store, and once you have updated, simply open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you open it, you simply need to select the two cards icon or the gallery icon to open any image from it. So let's open it, and from camera roll or home section of this memory you can easily select any picture you'd like to. And when you open it, simply select the small arrow at the right hand side, and now you will see different option at the right corner of the screen. And simply here you need to select the scissor icon, and from here you need to select the area that you want to use for catfishing someone on Snapchat. So let's draw it in this way without finger and cut this area. Once you have done that, you simply need to select the done button at the top right corner of the screen, and then you can place this image anywhere. And let's exit from this, and you need to select discard changes button. Once you have done that, let's come back from this page, and you simply need to tap on this small circle and take a snap. Once you have taken the snap, you need to select the sticker icon at the top right corner of the screen and select the scissor icon at the top right corner again and select the same image that you have got just now, and simply you can expand this image, and here you can add the text that it's me. And you can write here something here like rate the picture. And once you have done that, you can add it anywhere you'd like to, and then you can tap on send to button and send it to anyone. And you can also add it to story and catfish someone on Snapchat. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.